Hey there, TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee, folks. We got a Heritage 48 rolling out of the shop today. Not every day you see old Heritage model leaving here anymore, but still one hell of a cooker. Let me tell you something. Heritage 48 on casters starts $3,700. All right, $3,700 gets you into a TMG pit. You got 3/8 thick firebox on the Heritage, 1/4-inch main chamber. Like I said, on casters, still one hell of a cooker. Now this is going on man, Mr. Nathaniel. He did do a couple upgrades on this one. He got it on our off-road package, still on the standard wheels and tires. Oh, and by the way, we'll do this traditional or reverse flow. We'll build it either way. He had this in traditional flow, as you can see. He did add the fold-down stack as well. That way you can fold it down and get it in and out of your garage. Top and bottom sliding trays here. Still got your fire poker in there, of course. Got the standard wire mesh front shelf here. Paper towel utensil holder. TMG Pits Tell Truth thermometers there, made in the USA, of course. Like I said, the firebox on this unit is 3/8 thick. Got D-ring tie-down points on all four corners as well. Like I said, don't see us building too many Heritages anymore, but still a slick smoker here. Say, y'all know the deal. If you need a custom pit built, you know to call TMG Pits, Knoxville, Tennessee.